Most people dream of becoming financially free, but when it comes to the stock market, they feel overwhelmed, scared, or unsure where to begin. The charts, numbers, and finance jargon can make the stock market seem like a difficult world only experts understand. But the truth is much simpler. The stock market is just a place where ordinary people invest in real companies to grow their money over time. Today's video is designed especially for complete beginners. By the end, you'll understand what the stock market is, how it works, how you can start investing safely, and what mistakes you should avoid if you want to build long-term wealth. So stay with me till the end, because I'll also give you a practical roadmap you can follow starting today. Welcome to Smart Finance Mentor, the place where money makes sense. If you're new here, consider subscribing, because we make videos that simplify financial growth, investing, and wealth building for beginners. Our mission is simple: to help you take control of your financial future without feeling confused or intimidated. Let's start with one basic idea. When you invest in the stock market, you're not gambling, and you're not just trading numbers on a screen. You are buying ownership in real companies. Every stock represents a small piece of a business. If the business grows, your share becomes more valuable. If the business pays dividends, you receive a part of its profits. And if the business continues to succeed for years, your investment grows along with it. This is why long-term investing works. Companies take time to grow, but once they do, the reward can be life-changing. You might hear people talk about the stock market like it's a casino, but that's because many beginners use it like one. They try to predict prices, follow rumors, or jump into risky trades hoping to make quick money. But professional investors don't do that. They focus on buying shares of strong, stable companies and holding them for years. They treat investing like owning a business, not like placing bets. And that's exactly how beginners should think too. So, how does the stock market actually work? It's simple. Companies that need money to grow list their shares on the market. Investors, people like you, buy those shares. When more people want a share, its price goes up. When fewer people want it, the price goes down. This constant movement of buying and selling creates the ups and downs you see in the market. But over the long term, good companies grow in value, and so does your investment. Now let's talk about how a complete beginner can start investing safely. The first step is opening a brokerage account. Think of a brokerage as an app or platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks. It's like a bank account, but specifically for investing. Today, opening a brokerage account is easy, free, and fast. You can do it from your phone in a few minutes. Once approved, you deposit money and you're ready to invest. Next comes the most important question. What should you invest in? Beginners have 3 good options. Option 1, blue chip stocks. These are large, stable companies with a long history of success. They don't grow very fast, but they are reliable and safer than smaller companies. Option 2, dividend stocks. These are companies that pay you money regularly, like a reward for being a shareholder. It's a great way to build passive income over time. Option 3, and the best option for most beginners, ETFs. An ETF is a basket of multiple companies combined into one single investment. When you buy one ETF, you automatically invest in many companies at once. This gives you instant diversification, meaning your risk is spread out. If one company performs badly, the others can balance it out. ETFs are simple, low-risk, and perfect for long-term investors who don't want to pick individual stocks. But even with the right investments, beginners often make mistakes, and these mistakes can cost them money. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to get rich quickly. Many beginners follow hot stock tips, random social media advice, or jump into trendy companies they know nothing about. This almost always leads to losses. Another mistake is emotional investing. When the market drops, beginners panic and sell. When prices rise, beginners rush to buy, thinking they're missing out. Both decisions are emotional, not logical. To avoid this, you need a simple strategy called dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing all your money at once, you invest a small amount regularly, weekly, or monthly. This way, sometimes you buy when prices are low, sometimes when they're higher, but overall, your cost remains balanced. This removes emotion and gives you a steady path to long-term growth. Another key rule: never invest money you need soon, like rent, bills, or emergency funds. The stock market is not for quick withdrawals. It works best when you give your investments time to grow. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every week checking the roots. You water it, protect it, and let it grow. And speaking of growth, there's something powerful you must understand: compounding. This is when your profits start earning profits of their own. For example, if you invest $100 and it grows to $110, next year you earn returns on the full $110, not just the original $100. Over the years, compounding can transform small investments into large amounts. This is why starting early is so important. Even if you start small, consistency and time can create remarkable results. As a beginner, your goal is simple: start small, stay patient, and keep learning. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to predict the market. You just need to make smart, steady decisions. Millions of ordinary people have built wealth through long-term investing, and you can too. If this video helped simplify the stock market for you, make sure to subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor. Like this video and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready to invest." Your financial future is in your hands. And today is the perfect day to take the first step.